Hey David, hey Connie. Just sending you over a Tuesday construction update. We're making awesome progress on your home, even from just a mere 7 days ago. So I just wanted to take you on about a 60-second walkthrough. I hope everything's going well with you guys. Having a good week. Enjoying that weather out there. And you know, the exterior is kind of finished off, so no more scaffolding, so we can really take a look this week in the beautiful backyard. So I hope all is well with you guys. I hope everything's going well with trying to sell the current home. As always, guys, if you have any questions, I'm always around, I'm always here. So this is right at that minute mark. Hope you enjoyed the update. I'll talk to you guys soon. In the meantime, if you have anything, let me know. Take it easy.